Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add your Cash App Cash Card to Google Pay and how you can pay with it or pay using it on the Google Play Store. So let's get right into it. Now, to add it to Google Play, you can do it from the Cash App. You can go to the card tab on your Cash App home screen in the bottom left, the second icon from the left, then select add to Google Pay, and then you need to follow the prompts. Or to add your Cash App card to Google Pay through the or through the Google Play app, you just need to go to Google Pay and select the plus payment method to add a payment method, and then follow the steps. The steps are pretty much, whoops, I'm sorry, I don't know why this is zoomed out so much. You pretty much need to go to your Cash Card tab in the bottom left, and you'll see your Cash Card sort of like this. You're going to need to click the eye icon in the top right to unblur or censor your data. Then you're going to need to enter your 16-digit card code or card number, then enter the CVV and the expiration date as well, and you can add it as a payment method to Google Pay. And as far as I'm aware, you can use Google Pay to pay on the Google Play Store, or if not, you can just go to your Google account and connect the Cash Card to your payment methods on Google, and you should be able to use them within the Google Play app. And that is pretty much it. I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys how you can do this myself because I don't have a Cash App in my region, but I hope that's alright by you. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.